Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the exact Xiaomi watch model and current firmware. This directs the fixes you'll attempt. Once done, charge the watch to at least 50% and use the original cable to avoid power issues. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the MyFit or Zepp app is installed. Now pair the watch if possible, and take a quick photo of the settings about screen so you can reference build numbers while troubleshooting. Start with a soft reset to clear temporary faults. Hold the power button per model instructions. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove software corruption. Next, uninstall and reinstall the companion app and clear the phone's Bluetooth cache to fix pairing glitches. Physically inspect the case. Remove back screws, look for loose battery connectors or corrosion, and dry any moisture. Replace seals if you find gaps, so the watch remains water-resistant after reassembly. After reassembly, update the watch firmware before further testing. Updates often resolve sensor and connectivity bugs. Repair the device and run through core checks: heart rate, accelerometer, touch, and microphone. If diagnostics point to hardware, like rapid battery drain or cracked display, order the exact replacement battery or screen and follow a guided replacement. If issues remain, record error messages and behavior. Then contact Xiaomi support or a certified repair center for component-level diagnosis and warranty options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.